Here's some meteorology fundamentals trivia. Subscribe. What is the instrument to measure atmospheric pressure? Is it A, thermometer, B, barometer, C, hydrometer, or D, anemometer? The correct answer is B, barometer. What type of cloud is known for producing thunderstorms? Is it A, nimbostratus, B, cumulonimbus, C, cirrus, or D, stratus? The correct answer is B, cumulonimbus. What phenomenon is measured by Beaufort scale? Is it A, temperature, B, ocean depth, C, pressure, or D, wind speed? The correct answer is D, wind speed. Which gas is the primary component of Earth's atmosphere? Is it A, carbon dioxide, B, helium, C, oxygen, or D, nitrogen? The correct answer is D, nitrogen. Which layer of the atmosphere contains the ozone layer? Is it A, stratosphere, B, mesosphere, C, thermosphere, or D, troposphere? The correct answer is A, stratosphere. What is the measure of the amount of moisture in the air? Is it A, absolute pressure, B, humidity index, C, relative humidity, or D, air temperature? The correct answer is C, relative humidity. What weather tool measures temperature? Is it A, thermometer, B, barometer, C, hygrometer, or D, anemometer? The correct answer is A, thermometer. What term describes a large body of air with uniform temperature? Is it A, wind shear, B, air mass, C, microclimate, or D, weather front? The correct answer is B, air mass. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.